Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna go shopping at Home Goods. I hope you guys enjoy. How cute is this? It's only $14.99. Very pretty. Oh my, look at those flowers. They would go well with my bedroom decor right now. Let's see the price for them. $50 each. Wow. They're a bit pricey, but they are beautiful. And over here, you can see that they have a lot of Halloween decor. Wow, this pumpkin is beautiful. The price for it is $14.99. Wow, this is really pretty for only $400. It kind of reminds me of the one that I have, but this is a lot thinner and smaller. It's perfect for a nursery, and the price for it is $16.99. Those are really pretty. As you can see, all of the costumes for Halloween are out for little ones, and they are so cute. They have a lot of stuff here at my local Home Goods. I feel like they have way too much, to be honest, because there's hardly any space to walk. Well, that's a good thing though. Look at all those picture frames. There's more down there. Wow, this is really nice. It's only $40. It's kind of like a lavender, purple, blue. It's really pretty. These chairs right here are $130 each. And they have kind of like a sparkle to it. The fabric, if you look at it closely, it kind of sparkles. Really nice. Wow, can I see, Leo? Not the truck, the picture. Wow.
Mama, big truck.
Big truck. Ooh, nice.
Daddy, look.
This right here is $200. I don't think I have seen it before. This is really, really nice. Oh, this is such a cute little plant. It has baby roses. Let me find the price. Oh, it's down here. It is only $50, which is not bad at all. This is how it looks like. I wonder if it's the only one. These are perfect for your fridge. I want to organize my fridge, you guys, because honestly, it's not organized. It's not like super pretty like you see on Instagram. But I want to get some of these containers. Not today though, because I came for towels. But eventually I would like to come and get some of them because they will make my fridge look much better than it does right now. Affordable, $3.99. Over here, there's a set. What's the price for the ouch? It's pokey. So cute. And the price for it is only $19.99. Do you like this, babe? Oh, this is really pretty. It matches the base that I just showed you. And it's only $12.99. They have two of them. And they also have this right here for $12.99. Yo, do you like that one?
Yeah.
Ooh. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
Wow.
Daddy, no.
For trays, $24.99, $39.99 the big one. And over here there is more gold stuff. This is $12.99, $14.99. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy shopping with me at Home Goods. Now it's time to go get dinner because the kids are hungry. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Really nice pumpkin. I like it. I wish it was silver. It would match so nicely with my home. And the price for it is $24.99. Oh wow, this is really nice. Oh, I have a garland that is just like this. This is $20. I never seen this pumpkin before. Very cute. I'm just not a big fan of this fabric that it has. For a second I thought it was wrapped around, but it's not. Oh, I like that one better. That one is gold and this one is more bronzy. Wow, I hope I get a chance to see another one at my local Home Goods. Wow, this is a beautiful placemat. Look at that. Wow. But they only have one. So that sucks. There's nothing else like this. I'll bring you guys again later and show you all the Halloween decor. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you are already decorating for fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.